there. I wanted to showcase how SeeSaw can be used effectively to as a learning management system to send assignments to students and collect their work. As on this screen, I am logged into a teacher's SeeSaw account as a co-teacher. So you can have multiple teachers assigned to the same students, which is exciting for specials and co-teachers and things like that. So as you can see, I have the assignments here. And each of these assignments loads up in a stream for the students. And so we'll take a look at this equals activity. So the teacher basically is able to click add, assign some work to the students, and then what that looks like on the student's end, for example, open the link to review the equal sign. So the teacher has the link right there, and then they have an anchor chart provided. And then when the student scrolls, they're going to see a link to a YouTube video for them to listen to the book that the teacher would ordinarily read in class. And then there's a game linked here. And then when the student goes back to SeeSaw, they can see that they're supposed to listen to the book, play the game, and click add response to show what you know. So on the student end, they will see the green add response button. They will find their name. And then generally this is something that we would be using on our iPad. So our students would be able to use their finger to interact. And what is kind of neat on the teacher's end is that you can come through here and see which students have attempted the activity, which students haven't submitted, but they're working on it, so you can monitor that. I'll show you another example. So this is an interactive activity. In this case, the teacher has a link, a video, a reading, a link, and then right here, the teacher saying, finish and take a photo of your completed page. So the students' activity that they're turning in, and I can see from looking at this that none of the students have done that, is a photograph of the work that they've done. So it's not just something that they use the annotation tools, but they can write out answers to math problems. They can, color something and take a picture. They can take a picture of whatever they want to submit. This teacher also was able to embed some of the decodable books that her students were to interact with. So that was another great interaction, another great opportunity for sending work to students. The teacher assigns a checklist so that the students are able to keep track of the work that they're doing. And so that's a helpful little feature. Something else that this teacher is doing, so when you click on activities, that's the stream, that's all of the assignments and where you can see student work. What the teacher's also doing here is with the journal, she is giving the students badges for participation, and so that's kind of a neat way to keep the students engaged, and that is kept here in their journal. So hopefully you can see some of the quick, easy ways to assign work in SeeSaw and how that stream looks and what it looks like from the student end and the types of activities you can submit. Thanks.